We are at Maunga Primary School, which is in Maunga village. That's about 20 kilometers away from our Thorntree River Lodge in Zambia. So we're excited to get to spend the morning and the afternoon with the kids here. We're going to be doing some painting of the ablution blocks that we recently finished building with our partnership with Go2Africa, as well as kicking off the feeding scheme. Q4 has just started at Maunga Primary School, and today we've launched the feeding scheme. We are so excited. The learners have come back to school in their numbers. We're literally dishing out some meals, healthy meals to the learners this afternoon, which really just allows them to focus and concentrate more, which will ultimately improve on the academic performance of learners at the schools.
We wanted to partner with somebody who was already respectfully and sustainably making an impact in the communities.
I do think we're going to have more tour operators like we are, just being generally more aware and more motivated to make more of a difference on the ground. You know, seeing projects happening from far away behind your laptop is a very different experience than actually being here and seeing what has been done and the difference that it makes to people's lives.
Walking around here, it just makes you feel more connected and more inspired to do more.
A famous African proverb says, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. And with our partnership with Go2Africa, we really are going far. There's so much we've done so far at the school, and we're really excited to see what comes next. We're so grateful to Go2Africa, to all of our donors and all of our partners that continue to partner with African Bush Camp Foundation.
Hey.